Yo, there we go. I got it working. Okay. Let me open up YouTube real quick. Go on here. Oh, you guys can't see it, so it's fine. Yo, what's up? Let me just pull up the chat on my computer. Alright. And there we go. Alright. What's up, bro? What's up, guys? Holy crap, you guys are all here now. Okay. How's it going? Alright. Let me go see what the market looks like right now. Alright. Wow, it is pretty heavy consolidation, it looks like. So, probably not gonna be looking for a general bias today. Just gonna be going up and down. Yeah, no. This is just consolidation. Jesus. Okay. Well, let's full screen this. Alright. 1 day left until school break. Oh, really? That's sick. Nice. Okay. Let me see if I can find any trends. Man, this would have been a good range to trade. Fortunately, we're not in that range, but it's okay. Don't really see any trends right now, to be honest. But I'm just gonna have to wait. Let me look at that 5 minute again. This one, yeah. Man, this is just freaking up and down and up and down. Jesus. Yeah, no. Okay, well, I guess just gonna have to wait. Not much I can do. Green line go up. Oh, yeah. It's going up. I mean, here, let's see. Is there really, like, anything here? What about this? Nope. That doesn't work. Is this crypto? No, this is freaking just the general market. This is a NASDAQ. You know, all the tech stocks. You know, like Apple. What is it? Apple, like Microsoft, I think, Google. You know, just all those stocks combined into one stock. That's what it is. Nvidia. It's called the QQQ, yeah, the NASDAQ. The name of this stock is basically, well, it says NQ up here, but if you were to look at this at the stock market, it would be called the QQQ or the NASDAQ. The QQQ is the ticker name, the NASDAQ is what it's called. Man, wow, it's okay. It looks like it's starting to drop, actually. Here, let me. What did the hour look like again? This is the hour, right? Yeah, this is the hour. Okay, so here, let's see. It looks like it bounced here a couple of times. Yeah. Okay. So at the 24750 mark. Let's see if we get there. Seems like it likes to bounce here. because it bounced right here, bounced right here. It tried to bounce right here, but it failed. So let's just see what happens. Although I definitely don't see any trades. Unfortunately, it looks like there could have been a trade around this area, but obviously I wasn't up. There could have been. Hold on a second. Nah. What? That could have been a trade. That definitely. What does it do? What do you mean it's the stock market? People buy it and sell it. It doesn't do anything. Well, I mean, yeah, it moves. That's all it does. It just moves up and down. And then I buy and sell at a random price that I think, will go up or down. It's not that complicated. Is it? Dude, is it raining right now? I feel like it's raining right now. Hold on. I swear I hear something. Yeah, it is raining. What the heck? Oh my god. Holy crap. It's going to be raining for the entire day. Up until 1. Jesus. Why does it keep going down? Do you think I know the answer, Landon? I can't tell you. If I knew, then I would be making a ton of money right now. Literally. Here. Let's see. This could be a trend right here. I don't really think this would be a good trade. Huh? It did technically bounce off of it. Okay. I'll leave it right there. Let's see. Is he gonna break it? Gordy, you had me up until 1 a.m. to watch Cuphead? Really? Dude, that's crazy. Okay. Yeah. That's kind of what I thought was gonna happen. No big surprise there. I didn't think that was a good trade or a good... Why? Bro, why do you say journey to talents? Bro. There's no trend going on right now. It's kind of just going all over the place, if I'm going to be honest. I literally don't see a single trend. Which, sometimes there are just days like that. I mean, there was obviously like a short-term trend right here. So if we can get one of these short-term trends, then this could be good. Potentially. Just like a consolidation point. Sonic the Hedgehog collab. There was a Sonic collab? What the heck? It's definitely going to break this low right here. 100%. Well, maybe not. It looked like it was going to. But at the same time, this is why I don't take that trade. Just gotta wait for a visible trend. Once I see a trend, then I'm gonna take a trade. But until I see a trend, then nope. Just gotta be patient, guys. That's the whole thing about trading. Just have to be patient. Oh yeah, it looks like it might break the dough right there. Hold on, let me pull the hour chart back up again. That's the daily. Oh wow, that's not a good daily chart. That's 5 minute. That's the chart that I'm looking at. So this is the hour? No, this is the daily. What the heck is the hour? Oh, this is the hour. Okay. We're getting close to that 750 mark. So I might try and take a trade off of that because it does seem to respect this line fairly well. Hold on, let me look at it because for some reason I don't know why it doesn't go all the way back. It's freaking annoying. Let me look at it on my other chart. Um, hmm. What the heck? Wait, it's completely different. That's weird. What the heck? That is so weird. Okay, well, I guess I can't use it. Never mind. I'm asleep till I wake up to school. It's Ramadan here? Oh, okay. Alright, see you, Skelly Cat. Ooh, wait, here we go. Yeah, no, this isn't even like a trend. This is just like freaking... I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we're in like a super short-term downtrend. Man, this is so annoying, bro. There's no trend. I just want to see a trend. That green line is SMOL. I don't know what SMOL is. Floor 32 is impossible. Those crazy tanks are bust. Yeah. I guess it technically is in a downtrend. I could have shorted it right there because it didn't really go up, but it's just like I don't even know, bro. I don't know. It seems like it's not really breaking down anymore. It seems like price is starting to curl up in a way. So that's not really a trend, though. I need to see like a visible trend. Although I will say this is like a freaking line right here. This might break. This might, if it breaks out of this short-term downtrend, I think this would actually be a really good buy. I kind of want to try this. We might have a trade here, guys. We might have a trade here. Because I definitely think it's going to break this. Oh, there it is. I'm going to be a little patient though. I'm not just going to buy in yet. Let's just wait. Okay. Yeah, it's breaking down. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna break the low, or is it gonna come up here and break this? Because this is a trade right here. I see a trade. I don't think it's gonna keep going lower because as you can see, these lows are getting higher and higher and higher, and this one it didn't even. I think this is a good buy right here. This might be a good buy, potentially, but we'll see. To me, this looks good because I don't think it's gonna keep dropping. If it keeps dropping, then obviously I'm not buying it. But if we can manage to break this downtrend line, then I think this could be good. We'll just have to wait and see. Price is really respecting it very well, so that's a really good sign. I definitely don't want to short it because price is not broken this low, so seems like there is some form of like, you know, support right here. Come on. Just break it. It knows it wants to. Okay? It knows it wants to. Wait, here we go. It just tapped it again. Okay, and it's dropping. Although this is good. This is oh, there we go. Here, let's try this.
Order filled.
Oh, I don't have a freaking strategy on. What the heck? Okay, well here.
Order submitted.
No, not market.
Order canceled.
There you go.
Order submitted.
Okay. Only care about the stop. Here, if it flips red, then I'm getting out. There. Okay. Ooh, see? See? Ooh, that's a good trade. This is a good trade so far. I really like this. Yes, I do. Here, and then let's put a sell limit
submitted.
there. I don't really know how high. It's probably going to come up to here. So let's put it here. This is a good point. Although, kind of already hit it. Ooh, dang it. Crap. We'll see. Let's just be patient. Let's be patient, okay? I think it could get to my take profit though. I do think so. I put it a little bit below it. But yeah, this seems like a good place for it to hit. Come on. Give it to me. Okay, here we go. Come on. There we go. Dude, it got right there. I'm closing it.
Order
Let's go.
canceled.
Freaking go, bro. Let's freaking go. Good trade. That's right. That's how you do it, bro. That's how you freaking do it. That was a good trade right there. That was a good trade. I recognized the trend, and I made my move. No emotion. Just pure, reading the charts. Still in, and that's how you do it, bro. That's how you make a winning trade. Mm-hmm. And if you saw my stop loss, super tight stop loss. So even if I did lose, I barely would have lost. Alright. Mobile games. That's funny. What are the mobile games? Get it on your phone. Oh, no. I'm not actually gonna freaking do that. Here. Is there any, like... What is Klondike? Oh, just classic solitaire? I know how to play solitaire. Yo, solitaire is kind of fun. Here, let's do this. Ooh. Alright. Oh, this king's in a good spot, actually. Crap. 10. No. Ace. That's not the right one. 2. I guess? No. King, no. Ace. Yep, there we go. Alright. Jack. Nope. Not the right one. Ooh, nice. There we go. Ooh, there we go. There we go. You can't move that there. Only kings can be moved. Oh, really? I did not know that. Interesting. 6. No. Okay. Wait, no, go back, go back. I just realized this could be moved. Yep. Nice. Okay. Bro, I need a freaking 10, bro. Oh, wait. I just realized I could do that. Are you freaking kidding me? I've been doing that the whole time. Nope. Nope. Dang it. There we go. Bro, I need the freaking 2, bro. Oh, wait, I can do this. Oh, let's go. That's huge. Oh, let's do this one. Nice. There's the 2. Massive. Okay. At this point, just battle the cats. You're watching 3 vids right now? Holy crap, bro. I mean, this video, there's nothing going on other than randomly trading sometimes. But, bro, I could just play Battle Cats on this. Or I could play, like, Geometry. No, I can't play Geometry Dash because it wouldn't work. I actually could... You know what? I have an idea. We could grind out some Battle Cats if you guys want. Just like, I don't know. What is it? Grind cat fruit or something. Or materials. We could do that. We could do that. Just so that we're not doing nothing the whole time. Boom. Ooh, this is good. This is good. I think I'm gonna win. Stockpile is exhausted. Click the empty stockpile to... Okay. Man, you can't move freaking... That's so weird. I've never played a thing like that. Dude. 10. Crap. Dude, I'm right there. I'm right about to beat it. Crap. Oh, there we go. Okay, I think I won. Right? Yeah. Easy. Easy game. Come on, get out of here. Oh, my PC is about to die. Crap. Or not my PC, my laptop. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Low power charger connected. Yo, what the heck? That's funny, okay. Yo, why did your other message get deleted? I don't know. Yo, Redley Boyne, what do you think about playing some Battle Cats right now? Here. Just like grinding it out while... Here, let me move this one too. It's gonna be a very small screen, but you know, we can grind some materials. Ooh, we're breaking up here actually pretty good. Interesting. What are the cards doing? Bro, I don't freaking know what that was. That was very interesting, but okay, generally seems like ATR is at 17, which is pretty good. That's pretty high. I like that. I like that volatility. Wait, how much did I make on that trade? Ooh, I made a nice 300, 400. Pretty good. Alright. See if we can find another trend. Ooh, wait. Nah. That ain't no trend. Crap. Alright. Alright, y'all. We're gonna be playing some Battle Cats. But we're just gonna be grinding out cat fruit or something. What the heck? Because, I mean, there really is nothing to do. What the heck is this person? Clear the final stage of Behemoth's Peak for a small chance to unlock the special cat Elder Beast Nala. Interesting. Okay, cool. Multitasking is crazy. No, I'm not putting Subway Surfers gameplay on the side. But you have to understand trading law. It's literally just like, you have to be patient. It is one of those things you just have to be patient. It's not like, bro. I don't know how to explain it. You're not going to be doing something all the time, like Battle Cats. Alright? There's always something to do in Battle Cats. Or at least always something for me to do. Because I have SOL and, you know, other stuff. But no, I'm not doing that. I'd rather just grind like cat fruit or something. Today's Thursday, right? So what is the cat fruit that's on? Oh, so what medal did I get? Oh. Yeah, Doron. Okay. Cool. Yo, you near the end of UL, I think? Yeah. Probably. Hopefully. Doesn't that mean I'm gonna be like 2/3 of the way done with the game? Ooh. When did I get these two? Rich cat, 30k. Nice. Alright. Let's just do this now so I don't have to do it later. Should I do Orange Cyclone when it appears? Yeah. I mean, Red Cyclone's easy, bro. I wonder how far his long distance is. Let's see. He moves really slow. Well, he's gonna hit the base from here, I think. Wow. That's pretty far. Bro, that freaking attack animation, bro. It's so funny. Okay. Oh, we're breaking down. Wait, we're breaking down. Hold on. Okay. Let's see if we start respecting this. I'm curious. Let's see. Feel like there's a chance we could bounce off of this. But again, I don't know. There's only, you know, so much. You did B Cyclone as your first Cyclone boss? Black Cyclone is really easy. If you have Bomber Cat, then Black Cyclone is gonna be easy. Let's see. Does it bounce here? There's a wick. Immediately there was a ton of buys right there if you saw that. It literally wicked down and instantly bounced off of it. So yes. This is definitely... No, I could have bought it right there, but I was not. Like, not really too confident in that. It was 77. So I would have made. I would have. I would have been up 10 points. But trying to go for like 20, you know. So I mean, if we break it, or if we like bounce off of it and then break through it, then we're probably gonna break the low. So this could be a good buy here, or a good short. And we might be doing another one of these right here. But I don't know if it's really a good trade, to be honest. Unless we bounce. If we bounce and then come back down and break it, then I will definitely take the trade. Looks like we're just going to break through it. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, we are. I don't know if this is a good trade. I don't know if this is a good trade or not. I don't really like it that much. Yo, Manic Eraser. I would say probably like have it drop a little bit and then have it bounce. Yeah, okay, so just bounced right here. Ooh. Looks like it would have been a good trade. Yo, Manic Eraser. Okay, that would have been a good trade. Dang. Alright, we're getting right up to the 750 mark. Let's see what happens. Does it break right through it? This is a big point right here. It's bouncing. Here. So what's he doing? I'm trading, bro. Dang, that would have been a good trade too. Both of those trades that I saw would have been good trades. I just didn't really trust it. You know? Good luck on last Infernal Tower stage. Oh, okay. And then, yeah, a Manic Eraser Gordy never uses you, bro. That's funny. I feel like I potentially see a trade coming. If we can bounce right here, potentially, then there could be a good short opportunity right here, I think. What is this? This is trading. You know it's bad when you use Brainwash Mohawk more than the Manics? Bro. That is true though. To be fair, that is true. Cover of Darkness. Whatever, I'm just gonna use this. Should be pretty easy. Bro, come on, just come back up here and tap this line, bro. That's all I need. That is all I need, bro. Come on. Bro, are you kidding me? Funny red line go down, bro. Wow, that hit so many. Screw it, just put Awaken Muhammad down. No, that's exactly why I didn't want to put Awaken Muhammad down, because I knew he was gonna freaking die now. So annoying. Oh crap. I wasn't paying attention, guys. Is this a good short? I don't really like it though. Although I definitely think it was a good short. Here. Dude. Dang it, I should have put a limit order. Alright, dang, I wasn't really thinking. Crap. It's fine. This probably wasn't a winner anyways. I didn't feel very confident in it. Okay. That's fine. I'll just continue this stage, I guess. Oh, Photo, don't die. Yeah, it looks like we're breaking back up. But I definitely think there's going to be some sort of a resistance point. I'm not sure where that's going to be, but there should be some sort of a resistance point. Bro, how did Slime not get a hit off, bro? Okay, why is this stage actually a little bit hard? What the heck? There's so many freaking kangaroos, bro. Like, Jesus. Man, that's not a good resistance point. There's more kangaroos, bro. Are you freaking kidding me? How many? Oh wow, it's really breaking back down. Okay. I think I see a trade coming. So I might have to pause this. If I can just freaking kill this Nyandem, then I'll be fine. Okay, go. There we go. What the heck, man? Alright. Bro, of course Bahamut dies. You know? Where's Pizza Cat? Bro, I didn't know what was on... Well, I mean, technically I did, but I just... I thought the stage was easy, bro. Okay? I'm not freaking switching my loadout for every single stage that I do. Especially when they're easy. I just didn't know that it was going to be a little difficult. I thought it was just going to be a tiny bit difficult. Okay. Crap. Whatever. Alright, let's see. Not really seeing any trends, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. What about like this? Hold on. Nope, that's not anything. Guys, we gotta find a trend. Come on. Gotta find a trend. About this. Nope. That's nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna freaking put this line like here for now. Just gonna put it like this. Oh, wait a second. I see a trend. Or yeah. Oh, I'll leave it like that. We could do the same trade that I did here. Or where was it? Oh no, it was right here, yeah. Five people watching. Yeah, I mean, bro, this is freaking like. Bro, it's just you guys watch me for Battle Cats, you know. Most of the people watch me for Battle Cats. Most people. One day that might be different, but for now it's just gonna be mainly Battle Cats, which I don't mind. I mean, bro, it is what it is. You know. I mean, if I can just make money from trading, then I won't have to worry about any sort of monetization. I'll just have a ton of free time, you know? That would be nice. You're only here because you saw brain rot in the chat. Alright, bro. Crazy. Come on. Just come back down to this line. Is it common for Birdcat to get true form first? Bro, it's completely random, Skelecat. Literally completely random. My first true form was just regular Macho Cat. There is no trend line to be drawn here. I'm just gonna put this right here. Dark Cat is the goat? Bro. That's funny. Ninja Cat. Who is Dark? You don't know who Dark Cat is, bro? Bro. Papaluga. Wait, what the heck? Okay, whatever, I don't care. Ooh, what happened to Geometry Dash? Nothing. Okay. Come on. Come on, bro. Just hit the line. Just hit the line. Do something. Hit one of the lines. That's all I need. I definitely like a trade-off for this line here. Either a breakdown or potentially a bounce off of it. I would say more likely for there to be a breakdown. Because I do feel like we are trending downwards in the short term. So I definitely would prefer a breakdown here and not a breakup. Because a breakup implies that there's more consolidation, and usually consolidation is not good when you're trying to trade a trend. Unless the trend is, you know, support and resistance. I think I actually see another trend potentially. And no, it doesn't look that good. Alright, here we go, here we go. I don't think I buy this. I don't really like buying this. Just because we're in a downtrend. Because we're in a downtrend, this is a really good short in my opinion. If we break below. Which I think there's a good chance that we do. Yep. Okay. Okay. Just wait. It's probably gonna bounce up a little bit.
Order submitted.
It's probably gonna bounce up. Just be patient. Almost hit it right there. Dude, come on.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay. And then we can move this down immediately. Alright, nice. We're in it to win it, guys. This could go super low here. This could go super low. I'm going to leave the 20 points on. Alright, and I'm going to get rid of this. Or actually, yeah, I'm going to get rid of this. Alright, I like this. Ooh, this is looking really good, guys. Holy crap. No way I have 2 winners back to back like that, bro. There's no way. Ooh, wait a second. Could potentially be a loser. Again, if I do lose, it's going to be a very small loss. So just keep that in mind. Okay? But I do like how this trade is playing out. I do. I am going to leave everything on the line here. Okay? I'm just going to leave it as it is. Because I think it could hit either one. Wait, so red means good and green means bad? Yes. That is correct. It looks like this one's going to be a loser, though. Potentially. I feel like I should have lost right there, but... Okay, are you going to freaking stop me out or not? What the heck
Stop
is it?
filled.
Okay, there we go. Yep, that's just how it goes sometimes. But to be fair, that makes sense. It bounced off of this line, which it was kind of respecting pretty often. So, here, let me, oops, not that one. There's definitely like some sort of resistance here. It definitely respects that a lot. So, I probably should have recognized that, and I didn't. But yeah, oh wait. Crap. You got $171 for a birthday, so I'm about to spend it on Resident Evil games? Bro, what? Alright, bro. Dang it, bro. If I had my stop loss a little bit higher, I would have won on this trade. Yeah, that's the problem with break strategies. You have to have your stop loss a little bit higher. But it's just, you know, it is what it is. Dang, this would have been a good trade. Honestly, the downtrend looks pretty good. The stop was just a little tight. Yeah, that was the only problem. It was a good try, though. It was a good try. I'm gonna get rid of that. Dang, that actually would have been a good trade if I just had my stop loss a little bit higher. You know what would have been a good idea, bro? If I had just, instead of, here, like, let me put the line back. Because this was very clearly respecting this. Instead of just shorting it right here, I should have waited for this wick. You know, I could have done that. Same entry strategy, a break of a pullback downtrend in an existing downtrend. I feel like this would have been a good short right here. Instead of shorting it, you know, right when it broke it, I could have shorted it when this wick, you know, came up. That would have been a better trade. Dude, that could have been such a good trade. Dang. But, you know, it's fine. It's no big deal. Because I would have won there, right? Oh, no, I wouldn't have won yet. Because I do go for 20 points, but I also didn't have this. Because it did it here. It bounced off of this line here. Bounced it here. Bounced here. Bounced here. And now it's bouncing here. So, yeah, technically it's suspected this line like 5 times. I should have known that this would have been like a common, like, you know, resistance point, support point, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes I'll place a stop above the breakout candle high. Wait, the breakout candle high. Ooh, so you mean like right here? This would have been like a good stop for you. Yeah, that's a good idea, but I try and keep my losses like as tight as possible. My strategy is to just whenever I place a trade, I just want to make sure that I win way more than like when I'm winning on a trade, I win a lot more than I lose on a trade. If you know what I mean. So just like obviously like a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Because that way if I win 50% of the time, then I'll be up. You know, I'll be winning. Because I feel like that's just the easiest way for me to trade. That's kind of how I've always wanted to trade. And that's just the way that's worked best for me. So, but yeah, I'm going to get rid of this line. I mean, I could keep it here because it did respect it like 4 times. It respected it here, 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 and here. So I could just leave it here. I don't see why not. But I'm not going to trade off of it. I'm just going to have it there just to see what happens. You're at a 1-to-1 and a break even on Top Step? Oh, really? Bro, I've gotten funded 3 times. I just recently got into it. Back into it. That's why. Because the first time I tried futures, I didn't go for an evaluation, I think. Or no, I did go for an evaluation, but I never got funded. The second time, I did get funded, but then obviously I blew it. And then the third time, I got funded twice. So, I should have gotten funded 3 times, but because I made it to the 3K mark that I was supposed to hit, but then I don't think I had like enough. I don't think I had my enough win rate, or my consistency wasn't good, or something. I don't know, but whatever. We're definitely consolidating right now. We're consolidating like downward, I guess you could say. Like we're clearly, you know, we're clearly going down here. Although, here, I just want to see if, no, that definitely can't. Because, bro, we're going down, but it's not, we're not going down in like a perfect trend. We're just kind of going down. Bro, Skelly Cat, shut up. We consolidated earlier today. You got smoked. Really? Yeah, no, my whole strategy is just trying to find some sort of a trend. And once I find that trend, I trade off of that trend. Because I feel like that's just the best way to go about it. At least for me. Obviously, it's going to be different for other people. That's just how trading works. But, you know, oh, actually, hold on a second. I mean, you know, it works. It works. Yeah, it works. I do like the potential for there to be a break right here. I also want to put, I feel like if it were to break, it would probably go up to here. Oh, wait, hold on. It looks like we're going to test this line again. All right. See what happens here. This could potentially be a break. I would say on days like today, because it is kind of consolidating right now. It's obviously like the general direction is down, but I would say it's more consolidating than going down. So I would say on like consolidation days, it's better to trade the break of a line because that's what it tends to do. It tends to form a trend and then it tends to break it and go in the opposite direction. And it just keeps doing that for both sides, you know? So I think if you trade the break, you have a higher chance of winning, just because of the, you know, consolidation. Wait, yeah, trend trading / momentum scalping is the most profitable for me. Yeah, but I mean, who knows? Maybe we actually do break down here. We have kind of just been hovering around here for a while. Here, let me look at the hour chart again. Is this the hour? Yeah, this is the hour. Yeah, we kind of just been... Although it does look like we're dropping pretty hard right now on the hour. So we could potentially see, you know, a drop. And we did bounce off of the 50, which I said we would. But I didn't want to trade that because I wasn't confident in it. Because we bounced off of it here and we bounced off of it here. So I was like, you know what, that's probably a good place for resistance. Or support, I mean. But at the same time, I just wasn't confident in it. It looks like this is about to break. Like, I'm feeling confident that this is gonna break. So. I feel like for here, I feel like this break, I could just buy it. Here.
Order
Put buy level right
submitted.
there. Now that we broke it. The hard part about consolidation trading is that it drifts and it's never really perfectly horizontal. Yeah. I feel like I probably should have just bought it, but usually it tends to come back down. Usually. So I'm just gonna let it, yeah. Bro, look at the wick.
Order filled.
Okay. Will it come back down into this line? I feel like it's gonna come up before it comes down. I don't know. I could be wrong. No, I just came right back into it. But just, you know, I haven't gone stopped out yet, so just be patient. I don't think this is good though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna move it up a little bit more. This doesn't look very good as of right now. Oh, okay. Came back up. That's good. Nice. Let's just see what the next candle does. Oh, if it flips, then that's really good actually. Oh no, okay. All right, this is good now. This is good. We have maintained our ground above the line. All right. Ooh, little pop up. Okay, come on. This could be good. This could be good. Just give it a little bit. And I would say my take profit is in a really good spot too. This could be a really good trade here, actually. This could be a good trade. I'm going to move my stop up. This is a little bit tight. This is a little bit tight. I don't know. Do I want to keep it here? Because like I said, I like taking really small losses, but I don't know if it's a smart idea to leave it here. I'll just leave it here for now. Ooh, wait a second. This is good. Come on. Holy. Oh, we're going for the full 20. We got to go for the full 20. Especially on a trade like this. Oh. Oh. Bro. It literally got 0.25 points away. Or 0.75. Come on, bro. Just hit it. Please, just hit it. I'm breaking even on this trade, 100%. Dude,
Target
let's
filled.
go. Good trade. Let's freaking go. This is exactly what I'm talking about. 50% win rate, it doesn't matter. As long as I win. Oh, my manager just texted me. 12:30 to 5. We could do that. I could work that. I wouldn't be able to go to the gym though. Dang, that was a good trade though. That was a good trade. I like that trade. Okay. It's 10:46. I usually like going until 11. Bro, I'm freaking up. Dude, I'm up a decent amount right now. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm up a decent amount. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of that trend line. We're just gonna wait for another one. That's how I trade. Best way to trade. I actually think I see one right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Here, let me see if it works. Yes, it does work. That's a good. Ooh, that's a good line right there. That is a good line. I want to wait for it to bounce off of it. I think I could trade this in a upwards direction. Let me see. Did this? No, it already broke that. Yeah, but that's good. That's really good actually. I definitely see this trend line lasting a little bit longer than, you know, a really short-term one. This one seems like it's going to be a little bit of a longer one. That was a good trade, though. That was a good trade. Dude, do I want to go into work today? Yeah. I'll go into work today. I don't see why not. Doing anything but using rock. Bro. Kings and what circles? What the heck? Alright. I'm gonna go grab the gourd. I'll be right back. Bro. Dude, Cordy is just soaking right now. Hold on, I'm gonna get him a towel. Oh, Gordy, you got really wet. Little kitty. Ooh, here we go. I see another potential trade right here. This is looking good. Dang. Come on. Yo, what's up, Blaze? How's it going? I'm just hanging out with the gourd right now. What's up, Gordy? Probably can't see him, he's off screen. Nowhere to draw that line. Oops. That's the wrong one. It doesn't matter. Get out of here. Is the Battle Cats? Is that Battle Cats I hear? Oh crap, yeah. I was just freaking playing Battle Cats. Ooh, Forest of Gopras. I guess we'll do this. Holy bro. Seems like there's a coup enemies on all these upcoming stages, so I'm just gonna put in a coup person. Yo, what's up, Amid? How's the training coming? Bro, it's been going really good. Like, way better than I thought it was gonna go. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very happy with the results right now. We are up. Currently, like, in total, in the past 3 days, I'm up $800. So, it's pretty good, you know? There's really no rares I should be using. I don't know why I went to rares. Can and Bullet Train are already in here. Let's just put some movers in, I guess. Lucifer. I still got a true form Lucifer. Maybe I could do that today. Oh, well, I need that, so I don't think that's happening. Okay. Oh, Lunacia, that's right. I forgot Lunacia is good against Deku. Okay, and then Cone Cat is good against... I think this is good enough. Let's just try this. Downpour Jungle, Area 13. Seems like, Price... Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me pause this real quickly. Seems like Price seems to reject off of this quite a bit. So I'm going to put a line right there. It has rejected off of it 3 times now. I think what could happen here, we could see Price drop down to here. I'm going to put a limit order in here, submitted, just in case it happens really quickly. And then, if it does, then I will hopefully get it all the way back up to there. Or at least just might take profit. So. Wow. Can one-shotted it? What the heck, bro? Are you freaking kidding me? Nice. Also, there is black enemies on this stage, which is not cool. Oh, I forgot about Courier. Crap. Well, it is what it is. Oh, is it going to be the Black Duck? Because there's so many black enemies? Probably, right? Nope, I was right. It is an Aku enemy. Well, at least I chose right. Dang. Oh, we got destroyed. It is really failing to get past that line. I will say. Come on. One more knockback. Why do you call him Courier? I don't know. Because that's what I've always called him. Bro, that's what I've called him when I was freaking playing the game 4 years ago. I always just called him Courier. Also, Courier sounds cool. And that's what it looks like. So. Oh wait, he has another. Dude, are you kidding me? Thought he only had one more. Well, now I gotta wait for Lunacia again, unless they break his barrier really quickly here. Bro, there's so many squirrels. Jesus Christ. Holy. Does it ever end? Oh, yep, it clearly ends. How many freaking squirrels was that? Is this barrier still up? Nope. Nice. That was easy. That was easy. You prefer career? Bro. Corey hair? Bro. Courier? Really? You like Courier more? Bro, I don't really like Courier. That sounds weird to me. Bro, that literally... I'm not even kidding. That actually sounds weird to me. Courier just sounds so much better. When is the freaking... Bro, okay, it finally broke it. I'm not trading off of this break because this is a line. I only trade off of trends. Just because a line... Oh my god. That would have been a pretty crazy trade, though, I will say. I will say, that would have been a crazy trade. But... No. I'm not doing lines. I'm not doing horizontal lines. I'm only doing trend lines. Okay, when is the freaking thing? Evolve material. Oh, it's not even on today. What the heck? Bro, when is the freaking thing for Haniwa? Growing evil, that's good. Oh, Empress excavation, it's right there. Wait, was it on? Did I miss it? Am I stupid? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, so it's at 19. When is that gonna be? That's gonna be pretty late, isn't it? Isn't that at like 8 or 9 or something? I don't know. Okay. I want to see price come down to this line right here. What is uncapping about? What are you talking about? You used to trade options a few years back? Yeah, bro, I made an insane trade on options a couple days ago. Or no, a couple weeks ago. So, but I don't trade options. I kind of just like look at it every once in a while, and if I see an opportunity, then I'll take the trade. It's more like that type of thing, you know? I'm not going to just trade options. I'm not going to day trade them. That's not fun. Because options, bro, you got to worry about all this stupid stuff that I don't even want to think about. Freaking IV, time decay, being in the money and out of the money. Like, bro, I don't freaking care about that stuff. I just want the option to be cheap, and I want to be able to average down on it if I'm confident in a position. Or in a trade, whatever you want to say. Gordy! Aww. Guys, Gordy is making my eye itch. What do I do? He's so cute. He's so cute. Gordy's happy. You're a good kitty, you know that? You're a good kitty. Gordy, you're gonna fall. There you go. Yeah, it gets boring and repetitive. Yeah, not only that, but you're just losing, you know? You're more likely to lose than you are to win. Dude, Gordy, why do you gotta make my eyes itch, bro? Only traded a couple times a day? Wait, only traded a couple times a day? That's quite a bit. What do you mean? Okay, it looks like it's gonna break back below this line, which is good. I want price to come back down here. Also, this needs to get moved up here now to respect the trend. So I make like no money off of it. Oh. Actually, wait.
Order canceled.
Yeah, let me do this. Will it? I'm not gonna actually put the line down, but I just want to see what happens. Cause this is like literally a perfect bouncing point. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought was gonna happen. Makes sense. But I think it's gonna drop. I think it's gonna drop. This would be a good buy, but I just, like this, no, this isn't good. I don't really like it that much. Because this is a pretty, I don't know. There's just something about it. It looks weird. It looks weird. 2 or 3 times if I didn't lose. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, I guess I am taking, like... This is going to be my 4th trade, I think. I'm pretty sure this is going to be my 4th trade. Because I won twice already. And then I lost once. But that loss was really small and the wins were really big. So... Definitely like what is happening right now, though. I definitely think we can get back down to this line right here. Because it did just break that trend line that I just drew that didn't seem very strong. Didn't seem like it was going to respect it. But I definitely think this one is going to be respected. I think if it breaks it, I think it's going to drop. Or at least bounce back up and then hit the line and then drop. Or I think it's just going to bounce off of the line. And I think there's a much higher chance that it bounces off of it. Just because we're in consolidation. And we've been only really going down. So I think we're going to start going up a bit now. Actually, it just bounced off of the one that I drew earlier. There. No, it didn't. Oh, wait. I see it. No, that doesn't even work either. Okay, okay. I think we're in, obviously, an uptrend right here. We are definitely trending up, but I think that it's going to come back down to this line, 100%. Pretty confident on that. No, that doesn't work. Okay. Futures are another story. Yeah, futures is way different. It is way different. You don't... Oh, yeah. No, it's just different, you know? It's just different. Literally. It's the only way to put it. Wait a second. Look at this. Boom. That's a trend right there. That is a trend. 100%. I'm keeping that there. I think this would be a good buy. I do think this would be a good buy. 100%. Prince Andrew got arrested in the UK. Well, that's good. He's not a good person. Yeah, 100% deserved. Alright, here. We might be going for the break right here.
Order
I'm gonna try
failed.
this. Probably should have bought it right there when it was red. What the heck? How did I buy it? What the... Price never went up to there. That's weird. Alright, whatever. It doesn't matter. This is going to be my last trade, by the way, guys. If I lose on it, then I lose. If I win, you know? One or the other is going to happen. But let's just see. This is... I mean, this could... No, I think this could be a good trade. We are trending up. We're breaking a very, very, very short-term downtrend. So, let's just see. You know? I think this could be a good trade. I think we got potential here. Because his name is from Clash Royale, bro. I'm just going to get rid of these. Because this one right here is respected a lot more than the other ones. Guys. No way we win again. There's no way we win again. There's no way I'm trading this good, bro. There's just no way. I just don't see it. This is a really good risk to reward ratio, by the way. I really like this. I'm only going to lose 6, 36, 29. That's like 6 points, right? About. It's basically 6 points, yeah. So I'm risking 6 points to make 20. And we're already, if I, listen, you have to think about it like this too. If I, like, so I'm up 6.75 points right now, right? I was up like 8 points at one point. So technically, if it was a 1-to-1, I would have already won. I would have already won the trade. So that's cool, you know, that's cool. But you know, you gotta go for more, bro. You just have to. Because it literally is just a 50-50 which direction it goes in. And usually when it goes down, it's probably going to keep going down. When it goes up, it's probably going to keep going up. So, let's just see. Let's see what happens. I'm feeling pretty confident on this trade. I think it's a good trade. Although it is kind of rejecting here. But all we have to do is break this and then we're good. If we can't break it, then we're probably just going to reverse and drop. In fact, I'm actually going to move my stop up a little bit because I think the more time that goes on that it doesn't break it, I think the higher chance that it has to go in the other direction. So, I think I should be moving my stop up. Well, on the next candle, I'm going to move it up even more. Ooh, yeah, it's breaking down. Yeah. I'll take the loss. I'll take the loss. If I lose on it, I lose on it. Okay. Or not. Again, all we need to do is see this break. That's it. Bro, I'm in. Oh, it's failing again. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Alright. That's fine. You're just jamming out to value. Yeah, see, that was a really good stop out. That was a good stop out. It was a good trade. I think it was a good trade. It would have been a good trade to go for the break here, but I just didn't really see a good trend. It's fine. We're still up a lot. Yep. Still up 741. So, that's good. It is 11:10. I could take another trade. Dude, there was this one trade I was looking at. I wonder if it's going to hit it. Here. Let me draw this trend line back. Because I do want to take this trade. I do want to take it. And I think it has potential to hit it. Here, is there anything else in Battlecats to do? It's February Gauntlet. Yeah, let's just do February Gauntlet real quick. Who's on it again? Oops. Isn't this really easy? Oh yeah, it's the wiener dog. I'm just gonna put Izanami in instead of Photo. Alright, let's do this. I really do want to take this trade. I think this will be a good trade. Wiener dog. I think I put Izanami down first here. Man, Slime Cat, you take so long to attack again. Like, come on, bro. Are you kidding me? Whatever. You should honestly mod someone. Why the heck would I mod someone right now? Bro, there's only freaking 5 people here. There's no point to mod anybody. Like, come on. Are you kidding me? Alright, there we go. Oh wow, Bahamut stayed alive. That's kind of crazy. Isn't this a... Yeah, this is a time-based stage. That's funny. Gordy, bro, why are you making me sneeze? Oh my god. What do you mean bros playing Battle Cats while payouting? What the heck? Okay. You made an alien Aku teacher bear? Bro. Alright. Confusion level 5. Just gonna rip it. Hold, Gordy? What do you mean hold? Ursaku? Bro, I keep forgetting that Slime Cat one-shots. So weird. Not used to seeing that. Dang it. Bro. There we go. Nice. Alright, it's looking like we're gonna get to... Ooh, Platinum Shard. That's huge. I have 8 now, guys. Wait, I'm about to get it. I'm about to get a free Uber. That's pretty cool. Here. Put this here, and I'm gonna put a buy limit right here.
Order submitted.
Okay. Just gonna put Bullet Train down first. For the money. Wait, never thought I'd see the day where Slime Cat isn't in the loadout? No, he is in the loadout. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Dude, what the heck was that? Bro, that is so annoying. Well, this is gonna take a lot longer than it should. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. Change title to Payout and Battle Cats. Well, no, I'm about to get off. I'm just waiting for this trade because I was looking at it earlier. This is my last trade if it ends up working out. Although I will say, it doesn't seem like it's gonna hit it. Well, I mean, you can't really tell right now, to be fair. Nice. Oh, wait, what? He's so weak. I did not know that he was that weak. Alright. No more Battle Cats. Sorry, Blaze. Yeah, it really doesn't want to come back and test this trend line. Interestingly enough. Oh, what the heck? Not what I meant to do. Okay. Man. Yeah, there's not really a line to draw. Come on, bro. Just come back and hit this trend line. Hold on a second. I just want to see what the QQQ looks like right now. It's kind of just going all over the place, I guess. Bro, go on, just get, yeah. Just get slapped down to my buy limit, come on. Jesus Christ, Gordy. I freaking hate this cat, man. Just because of my allergies. I will say though, ATR is dropping by a lot. It is getting very unvolatile. Volatility is dropping by a crap ton. 18, 40. This has been the biggest candle for a while, which is no surprise. Gordy, why do you have to make me sneeze? You're so cute. Oh, he's purring. Man, I thought this trade was going to work. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm just going to, here. I do see another potential line that could be drawn. Ooh, yes. Here we go, here we go. I could go for a short right here, actually, now that I think about it.
Order canceled.
This would have been a good short.
Order submitted.
Right here. Dang. Should have gone for it. Yo, what's up? What's up, Homer?
Order canceled.
There is no brain rot, so you're safe? Okay. That would have been a good short. Definitely. Yeah, dang, that would have been a good short. Crap. Bro, I swear, just come back down to this line. I'm going to go for a break shot right here. If it breaks this line, then I'm going to buy it. 100%. This would be a good buy. Bro, mid, what the heck are you talking about?
Order filled.
Alright, let's try this. Pretty tight stop. I think it's going to be a good break. Where do we potentially go, though? That's the real question. I will say this, too. Does seem like here. I'm going to get rid of this one. Well, no. I'll just leave it on here for now. Wow, this is a weak break. I'm not going to lie. No, that doesn't work either. Okay, whatever. Man, this is a weak break. It's just freaking stalling, bro. I'm just going to keep moving it up. Because this is like really. Okay, well, I mean, there we go. There's a little tiny 3-point push up. Yeah, I don't like this. It's just not really moving. I would honestly prefer to just probably just get stopped out here. Bro, it is. I'm going for 10 points. I'm going to switch this over to 10 points. 63, so 53. Because bro, it's so unvolatile right now. It is just so, like... I just don't think it's going to go very high here. I think going for 10 points is a lot better here than going for any more. Like, look at this, bro. It's not even pushing. It's just freaking stalling right here. There we go. There's a little push. Give me a little more. I want to put my stop loss here, bro. It is so... Dude. Yeah, it's not giving me that push that I want. Yeah. It's just, I don't like this, bro. I don't like this. I want to go for this trade. That was a break even, by the way. It's just so freaking unvolatile, bro. I swear. Dude, it's so unvolatile. It's not even a break. It's just consolidation. I feel like if we come back down to this line, we will definitely bounce off of it. Like 100%. Almost 100%. Because it's just so unvolatile. So usually when it's like this, it tends to just, you know, fall back onto certain lines. And then just kind of ride it for a bit. $50 loss. Jesus. Oh, wait, I didn't even realize, Homer. I did not realize that you asked, what is this? This is trading. You've never seen the charts before? Come on. There we go. There's the push down. That's what I was waiting for. False breakout, so makes sense. This is what I've been waiting for.
Order submitted.
Go on, give me another big red candle and then we're in it to win it. That's all I'm waiting for. Here we go. This is good. I like this. We just need to see it come down to this line, and then we're going to be at it. Which will probably happen, I hope. But, who knows. Oh, I just realized it just bounced off of this. Oh, wait, no, it didn't. Oh, it kind of did. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, let's see. I doubt we see a volatility spike here. No way it flips before it, right? There's no way. Come on, bro. Bro, it's so freaking slow, bro, I swear. Dude. Come on. If it's gonna end early? What's the point of Cuphead if it's gonna end early? What does that even mean? Also, do I like the game? Yeah, of course. Dude, there's no way it just missed that line. No, it's probably gonna come back down and hit it. Yeah.
Order filled. Stop
Oh my
filled.
god, are you kidding me? I should have traded the break. Dang. Bro, I didn't even have a chance to move my stop up. I literally did not have a chance to move my stop up. That is unfortunate. Holy. Jesus. Bro, I was not expecting that. That's so unlucky. Because when the moment that I got hit, the moment that I got filled, I was gonna move my stop up because I had a feeling that could happen. But obviously, no, I got unlucky like that. Dang, bro, that would have been such a good trade if I traded the break. 15 all the way down to 95, bro. That is crazy. Is it just gonna come back up and? I mean, I
Order
could trade
submitted.
this, dude. Because if Z had that much bosses, it is challenging though. I don't think
Order
this is a good trade.
canceled.
I guess trading breaks is probably better. Yeah, I should have been trading the break. I don't know why I switched it up right there. It was much smarter to trade the break. I do kind of want to try the short though.
Order submitted.
I feel like this actually could be a good trade. I'm just scared that it's gonna freaking blast off again. That's the only fear that I have right now. Could be just a random false breakout.
Order
Yeah, I don't think it's a good
canceled.
trade. I don't think it's a good trade. I don't. I don't think it's a good trade. Let's see. Would it have been a good trade? Because I would have been filled right there. 100%. I would have gone filled. So far, I'm up. Nope. Yeah. This looks decent. Oh, nope. Yeah, I had a feeling it was going to be a false breakout. I had a feeling. Let's see if it continues going back up. Cause oh, wait a second. Is it gonna go down or up, bro? Come on, choose a direction. Yep, there it goes. Okay, that would have been a good trade. That would have been a good trade. I would have been up a lot right now. Oh, you know what? All right, it's just kind of going wherever right now. It's a good thing I didn't take that trade. That's all I gotta say. That was a very, very interesting trade. If I had have taken it. Man, so how much did I lose on that then? Freaking 200. Yeah, probably. That is so annoying, bro. Just the moment that I get filled, it just drops instantly. Literally, I have no time to react. Zero time to react. Like, bro, come on. So unlucky. I don't really think there's any more trades. Why don't you play Roblox if you already played all these other games? I mean, do you see the do you see why though? It's pretty obvious. It's because I play all these other games. That's why, Homer. That you just literally explained why I don't play Roblox. Bro, come on now. I can't believe you don't see that. Wait. Nah. So if I didn't play these other games, then maybe I'd play Roblox, you know? I mean, this isn't a game. This is like, you know, it's kind of a game. To be fair, it is kind of a game. But not necessarily. I just want to see, it's 11:30. It is a little bit late. I have been trading for a while, so. And I did say that was going to be my last trade. But it's just, that's such an annoying trade to end off on, you know? Like, I want to at least have a good trade before I get off. Because that was, I mean, you can't really say that was a good or bad trade because I just got filled so quickly. And exited so quickly, or stopped out so quickly, so. I guess that's the problem with putting a limit order on. You know? It is what it is. You leaked day 105 of Battle Cats. Alright, bro. Sure, if that's what you want to say. Chat has been constantly asking you to play Roblox, so I mean, I don't even really like Roblox, bro. If I'm gonna be honest. I only really play it when when I have somebody else to play it with. Like a friend. Bro, freaking Gordy, bro. I swear. Gordy's making me sneeze so much. That's definitely a good trend line. I wonder if this would be a good trade. I kind of want to try this. Nah. Yeah, I broke through it. Would have been a good short. But I don't know. Here. I feel like there is another trade coming up, potentially. If it hits this line, I'll definitely be inclined to think that it's going to bounce off of it for a bit. What about Fortnite? I definitely don't like Fortnite. No, I'd rather just play Apex at that point. Apex is way more fun for me. And I'm also way better at Apex. Would have been a good show, by the way. Just want to point it out. Let's see. I'm curious to see if it just completely, like, blasts through this. Or if it's going to bounce off of it. I feel like it should bounce off of it just because we have been consolidating. But I definitely think it's going to drop. Let's see if it respects this. I don't think it will, but why not give it a shot, you know? Kinda did. Oh, wait. Yeah, it looks like it is respecting it. Nope. I'm not going to put a limit order down. I'm just going to see if it bounces off of this line, and if it does, then I'm just going to buy it. You don't know what you're looking at? You're just looking at price action. That's what it's called. You're just looking at price move up and down. And I'm just trying to predict where it's going to go. It's that simple. Gordy, I'm Manic Dragon. Oh, you're Manic Dragon? Really? Bro, I didn't know that. Holy. Dude, I should have bought it. That would have been a good buy. Although, I'm going to be patient. Because it'll probably bounce off of it again. It might just break through it right here. Yup. I knew it. I had a feeling that was going to happen. Alright. Yo, what's up, Toxicity? How's it going, bro? Bro, Gordy is just making me freaking, like, I don't even know, bro. He's making my nose clogged. Alright. Well, it did bounce, it bounced in the range of it. I don't know, that's a weird trade. I don't think that's a really good trade right there. I mean, I've never really traded off of a line before, so. I think this is a good buy, though. I feel like this is a good buy because it is rejecting off of it.
Order
I'm going to try this. I'm going to leave it like this. It's been consolidating, okay? Yeah, it's been consolidating. I think this could be a good buy just to get it back up to there, I think. So far, so good. I'm going to move this up. Because I think if it drops here, I think it's going to drop really hard. Let's see. So, this is a 5-point risk, or this is a 4-to-1 risk to reward. As of right now. It's looking decent. I think this is also a really good entry point. I think there's a good chance that I win on this one. Ooh, wait a second. Wait. Be patient. Hold on. This is looking good. Kind of want to break even now. I'll move it up a little bit. Alright. 2-point loss if I lose. 2-point.
Stop fill.
And I lost. Dang. It's unfortunate. I think it's going to drop really hard here, though. I'm not going to lie. I think it's going to drop pretty hard. Let's see. Does it keep dropping? Yeah. Dang, bro. Couldn't have seen just a little bit more of a bounce. Unfortunate. It is what it is. You know? I mean, that was a really small loss. Like, that was literally a 2-point loss, which is $40, so. It was worth the shot. But, okay, guys, I'm going to get off now. That was fun. I lost a little bit from yesterday. No big deal. I'm still up 400. So I feel like that's pretty good. I'm not doing terrible. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. I gotta go.